Hi and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Intermediate series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. In the last tutorial, you learned that whenever we define parameters, we should always supply values, otherwise we get an error. Let's look at that one more time. So I'm going to delete Cardoza and only pass Dion. Run our program and we get this message. Hello user, missing one required positional argument. So the arguments we have here like Dion and Cardoza, we refer to these as positional arguments, which means their position or order matters. In other words, the first argument we add here is the value for the first parameter and the second argument we add here is the value for the second parameter. So if we change their position or order, we get a different result. Let's pass Cardoza first and then Dion. So run this program and instead of getting Hey Dion Cardoza, we get Hey Cardoza Dion. So that is the reason we refer to these arguments as positional arguments. In Python, we also have the keyword arguments for which the position doesn't matter. So here, let's say we want to pass Dion as the value for the first name parameter. So we can simply specify first name equals Dion. So what we have here is called the keyword argument. So the parameter followed by its value is called a keyword argument. So we can use a similar argument for Cardoza. So last name equals Cardoza. Now we don't need to use keyword arguments always. We can just pass positional arguments. But in cases when you're passing numbers as arguments, it is better to use keyword arguments because it is easier for someone else to understand. For example, cost 10, 20, 30. Now for a person who doesn't know what these numbers are, it might be difficult for the person to understand. So we can use cost apples equals 10, oranges equals 20 and mangoes equals 30. So this is what I want you to take away. For the most part, use positional arguments. But if you are passing numerical values, it is better to use keyword arguments for better readability. Now one more thing you need to know about these arguments is that these always come after the positional argument. Let me show you what I mean. Hello user, first name equals Dion and then Cardoza. So here we can see this red underline because we are passing a keyword argument and then the positional argument. So if you are mixing the positional and keyword arguments, you should always use the positional arguments first and then the keyword arguments. So let's remove the keyword argument. So Dion is a positional argument and let's make Cardoza a keyword argument. So now we can see we don't have the red underline here. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this intermediate series. Also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.